2018 Stryker refrigerator. Pretty self-explanatory. You got this button right here. Off is out, on is in. If you're not plugged into power, you may want to just turn it on to gas. If that check light is on, it means you're out of propane, or you've lost power, or something's wrong with the fridge. What you do if the check light comes on is check your propane, turn it off, turn it back on, and make sure the check light doesn't come again. Freezer works great. Fridge works great too. The one thing you have to keep in mind with a propane fridge is after 3 or 4 days, when you start feeling your drinks get really cold, you may want to turn it off for a couple hours to let it thaw out a little bit. Eventually they'll get to where it'll turn this bottom piece into a freezer. Any questions, you can call me at 307-705-5662. Thank you.